Are XRP holders missing out on XLM? Because nearly every XLM holder that I know has XRP in their portfolio, but very few XRP holders own XLM. So today I want to go into their origins and purpose, the correlation between their price movements, and whether it really makes sense to hold both in your portfolio. Now, if you enjoy the XLM videos and want to see more of it on the channel, be sure to leave a like down below. With that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, a quick reminder, this is not financial advice and for entertainment purposes only. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed and you could lose all of your money. Stay safe and do your own research. And for this video, you can buy and sell whatever you want. I'm displaying the facts and you can make up your own mind. So the first thing I want to go into is origins and purpose, because there is a legacy connection, right? They were both co-created by Jed McCaleb, but they serve different purposes. For example, XRP focuses on institutional use cases like cross-border payments, serving banks and financial institutions, whereas XLM aims to make financial services accessible to the unbanked population, targeting retail users. And this is represented in their partnerships, where Ripple's partnered with banks and payment providers. Stellar is partnered with remittance providers, NGOs, and even governments. And so there's a legacy connection and a shared narrative being blockchain payments, but that does not explain why the price action on the all-time chart is pretty much identical. And it goes deeper than that. When you think about specific situations with certain cryptos, like when the SEC brought the lawsuit against Ripple, deeming XRP a security, XLM followed the price action in a similar fashion. Again, when XRP was not deemed a security, the price followed, and now when Gary Gensler is resigning, the price is pretty much identical once again. Now, why is this? There's different theories to this and different factors in play to the correlation. So shared origins, yes, obviously co-created by Jen McCaleb, both in blockchain payments. There is a crossover of investors, so similar trading behaviors will be correlated, like we see when assets move within the same sector, like artificial intelligence or layer 2 cryptocurrencies. Also, market sentiment. Positive news can spill over to other cryptos, but the main one that I believe is algorithmic trading. And it works by these algorithms amplifying the correlation between XRP and XLM. So, for example, when XRP starts increasing in price, these algorithms, these bots, buy XLM in anticipation of it following suit. And it creates an artificial link between the two cryptocurrencies. So, even when the news or fundamentals aren't aligning, the price is still going to follow. And this begs the question, the main point of this video, and the main argument I've seen for people not buying XLM: why hold another cryptocurrency that follows the same price as another, as it would just take up space in your portfolio? And what it comes down to, whether you should invest in both or hold one, is your investment strategy. Are you a utility maxi who only invests and is interested in utility projects? And in my opinion, it would make sense to own both cryptocurrencies, where they offer complementary roles in the blockchain space. One is targeting institutions and one is targeting retail. Where it would become a problem and where I would only own one if I was too diversified, right? I held too many cryptos where I can take that other part of my portfolio and venture into artificial intelligence, DeFi, layer 2 cryptos, and give myself more upside potential. And with these two cryptocurrencies, a lot has changed since we started making videos on the channel nearly 3 years ago now. I used to always say that, XRP is under a lot of regulatory scrutiny, so XLM might be a nice hedge to hold until it all blows over, until we see whether XRP is or is not a security. Well, it's no longer the case. XRP is not a security. Also, in terms of stablecoins, right? Stellar had an advantage there, where it was integrated with USDC and MoneyGram into remittance markets. Well, now Ripple has their own stablecoin, Ripple USD, RL USD. So they've balanced the playing field there. So I don't really see much advantage over either cryptocurrency. And it really comes down to, in the conclusion, if you're bullish on blockchain payments, own both. If you're looking to diversify into other crypto sectors, maybe just own one. But be sure to let me know down below, do you hold both? Do you hold just XRP or XLM? I'm very interested to hear what you have to say down below. But if you made this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.